Here are the questions you absolutely need to ask before hiring a moving company. First up, how do they calculate their prices? It usually is based on these 4 factors, but you want to get a breakdown of what that looks like for each company. 2, with the estimate they're giving you, can they offer you a binding quote or a not to exceed estimate? Number 3, this is the most important one, okay? What are their references? You need to go online, check out their reviews from verified customers to make sure that you're not getting scammed and their past customers have had a good experience working with them. Are they properly licensed? They'll have one of these 2 numbers that you can either ask them for or find on their website, and it will verify that they are licensed with the US Department of Transportation. How long will you be without your things? You need to know how long they expect the move to take. A long distance move, you're typically looking at 7 to 10 days, but only 1 to 2 days if you're moving within a short distance. Once you get their expected delivery dates, you also want to ask if they can offer a guarantee on those delivery dates and if they offer any sort of tracking. What moving services do they offer? Lastly, you want to make sure you ask if there are any potential charges or fees that they haven't discussed with you. What's their cancellation policy? Do they offer storage? And do they offer discounts? Good luck with your move, and follow HireAHelper for more moving tips.